Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Dodge Dart. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, a new oil filter, and about 4½ quarts of 5W20 engine oil. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Then, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing, which are both easily accessible from below. Now, place your oil drain pan directly beneath the drain plug. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing immediately. Let all the old, dirty oil drain out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring you remove as much of the old oil as possible before moving on. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. You might need a filter wrench if it's on too tight. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter, then screw it on by hand until snug. Reinstall the drain plug firmly. Finally, add about 4½ quarts of fresh 5W20 engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Also, inspect around the drain plug and filter for any leaks. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.